diving into the 2025 Chevy Impala 300, a car that blends classic American muscle with modern innovation. With the Impala's rich legacy, many are excited to see how the 2025 model stacks up in terms of performance, style, and technology. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Impala 300 takes a bold step forward. The front end features a more aggressive, angular design with sharper lines that add to its commanding presence on the road. The sleek grille is flanked by LED headlights, which give the car a modern, futuristic look while enhancing visibility. The sculpted sides flow into a wide, athletic stance, giving the car a strong, muscular profile. The rear is equally impressive, with a redesigned taillight cluster and a more refined bumper design, making the whole vehicle look even more aerodynamic. Overall, the exterior exudes a sophisticated yet bold appearance, appealing to those who want a car that's as striking as it is powerful. Moving on to the interior, the 2025 Chevy Impala 300 showcases a luxurious and spacious cabin that combines comfort with high-tech features. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice the premium materials throughout the cabin. The leather upholstery feels soft and high-end, and the stitching detail on the seats and dashboard adds a touch of class. The seats themselves are designed for comfort, offering plenty of support for long drives, with ample headroom and legroom in both the front and rear. This car is built to keep all passengers comfortable, even on extended journeys. The technology in the Impala 300 is cutting-edge. The dashboard features a large, intuitive touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with Chevy's MyLink system. It allows easy access to navigation, music, and smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a premium sound system available, ensuring your music sounds crystal clear whether you're cruising down the highway or stuck in traffic. The climate controls are easy to adjust, and the cabin is well insulated, so outside noise doesn't interfere with the driving experience. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Impala 300 truly delivers. Under the hood, this model is equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine that pumps out an impressive 300 horsepower. Whether you're accelerating on the highway or making your way through city streets, this engine provides plenty of power and smoothness. The roofless cross-section allows for smoother drive. The ride quality is equally impressive thanks to a well-tuned suspension system that absorbs bumps and imperfections in the road, providing a balanced ride. The handling is responsive, making it easy to navigate tight corners or winding roads with confidence. For those who enjoy a bit of excitement behind the wheel, the Impala 300 offers an engaging driving experience while maintaining a smooth and refined feel. As for fuel efficiency, the Impala 300 is fairly competitive within its class, offering decent mileage for a full-size sedan with this level of performance. Expect around 22 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway, which is impressive considering the engine's power. Now let's talk about safety. The 2025 Impala 300 comes loaded with advanced safety features to keep you and your passengers safe. Standard safety technologies include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. There's also a rear-view camera and parking sensors to make parking easier and safer. Optional features like adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera system further enhance the Impala's safety credentials, giving you peace of mind no matter where you go. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The starting price for the 2025 Chevy Impala 300 is around $36,000, which is competitive for a car of its size and performance. If you opt for higher trims with additional features, you can expect the price to rise to about $42,000, with some fully loaded models reaching up to $45,000. This pricing puts the Impala 300 in the mid-range for full-size sedans, offering a good balance of value for money considering its features, performance, and comfort. To sum it up, the 2025 Chevy Impala 300 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a full-size sedan that delivers on performance, luxury, and modern tech. Its bold exterior, refined interior, powerful engine, and advanced features make it a solid contender in its class. Whether you're seeking comfort, style, or a thrilling driving experience, the Impala 300 has something to offer. That's a wrap on our review of the 2025 Chevy Impala 300. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and automotive news. Thanks for watching.